Have you ever logged into your Novo account and seen a transaction that you know for a fact you didn't make? Or received a strange email or text message asking for your login information? Fraud is a very real threat, especially for small businesses and freelancers who are so focused on growing their business they might not be as vigilant as they should be. The good news is, Novo has a clear process in place to help you out if you ever find yourself in this situation. First, and this is the most important step, if you suspect any fraudulent activity on your account, you need to act immediately. The quicker you report it, the better the chances are of preventing further damage. The first and best way to report an issue is directly through the Novo app. It's designed to be your one-stop shop for managing your account, including security issues. Just find the suspicious transaction, select Report a Problem, and follow the prompts. The app will guide you through the necessary steps to flag the charge and get the process started. If you can't access your app, or if you're dealing with a more complex issue like a hacked account, you should call Novo's fraud department right away. The number to have on hand is 1-844-260-1461. This is a direct line to a team that's trained to handle these kinds of emergencies, and they will help you take immediate steps to protect your account. Remember, time is of the essence in these situations. Once you've reported the fraud, Novo will launch an investigation. This process can take some time, so it's important to be patient. They will work to reverse any unauthorized charges and may need to issue you a new card or update your account credentials to prevent future issues. While they're working on it, you can take a few extra steps yourself to protect your business. Be sure to enable transaction alerts and push notifications in the app so you're notified of every charge. And of course, always be cautious about sharing your personal or financial information online. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.